Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in 2015 Toyota 4Runner. Start by warming the engine briefly, then secure the truck on jack stands and place a drain pan under the oil pan. Remove the drain plug carefully, let oil fully drain, replace the drain plug and change the oil filter. Add the correct amount and type of oil through the filler, check the level with the dipstick, and inspect for leaks before finishing. Begin with the drain plug. Loosen it slowly so hot oil doesn't splash, then let the oil flow until it drips slowly. While it drains, loosen the oil filter and remove it carefully, catching extra oil. Clean the filter mount, install the new filter with a light oil coat on the gasket, and hand tighten. Reinstall the drain plug securely and prepare to refill the engine with new oil. Quick recommendation and a light detour. If you like keeping manuals handy while you wrench, I suggest the Kindle Paperwhite for easy reading in any light. It fits in a glove box, loads PDFs fast, and saves trees compared to printed manuals. If you enjoyed this tip, subscribe and like to help the channel grow, then check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Slowly add the correct grade and amount of oil to the filler neck, checking the dipstick frequently to avoid overfill. Start the engine for a short time to move oil through the system, then shut it off and let levels settle before rechecking. Tighten the oil filter and drain plug if needed, wipe away any stray oil, and lower the vehicle off jack stands after confirming there are no leaks and the dipstick reads in the safe range.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.